For many reasons, you want to erase all content and settings from your iPhone device. You may plan to wipe your iPhone before selling or trading it, or you just want to completely reset the iPhone to speed it up as well as free up iPhone storage space. In this video, we will show you how to wipe iPhone without Apple ID password in 2 ways. Let's get started. The first tip is to restore iPhone with iTunes. Before using iTunes to restore your iPhone, please turn off Find My iPhone, otherwise, your iPhone will be stuck on Locked to Owner or Activation Lock screen. Next, put your iPhone into recovery mode. Power off your iPhone. Press and hold the volume down and power buttons simultaneously until you see the recovery mode screen. Then, connect your iPhone to PC or Mac computer via a USB cable. iTunes on Windows or Finder on Mac will pop up. Click the Restore button to reset your iPhone. The second tip is for users who forgot the Apple ID password. We recommend AnyUnlock to you to solve the issue. Click the link in the description to download and run AnyUnlock. Select the Unlock Screen Passcode feature and click Start. Next, power off your iPhone, press and hold the volume up button and side button at the same time until you see the recovery mode screen. Click to download firmware. The time depends on the size of the firmware. Please connect to a stable network and wait patiently. When firmware is downloaded, click to unlock now. AnyUnlock will unlock the iPhone automatically. Please wait for a while. After unlocking, set up your iPhone, and done. AnyUnlock is an all-in-one iOS unlock tool that helps unlock screen passcode, Apple ID, MDM lock, activation lock, etc. If you want to learn more information about AnyUnlock, please click the link in the description. That's all tips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.